Hey, this shout out is for Dr. Rick, book by Gabriella. Dad is a big fan of mine. Oh, and he's an MD in Illinois. I like this. The hospital that he works for told him not to use medical cannabis as treatment for his patients. Not to use it. Yeah, that's brilliant. Medical cannabis. Yeah. Yeah. I had a friend, man. He was dying of leukemia, and they didn't like him smoking up, but he never quit until he left. But yeah, those people are so far behind, but that's the way it is. Okay, and I love the fact, Dad, that you quit your job. Yeah, I would too, man. Yeah. Listen, you're on the right track, man. You know, if the right arm offends thee, then cut it off and just go through life with just a left arm. And that's what you got to do. At least you'll be happy. You know, you don't want to hang out doing something that doesn't make you happy. Yeah, that's the main thing, is being happy. So I'm glad you're on your new journey, and I want to tell you, man, you got all my support and love, and you'll make it because that's the attitude you need, you know. You just hang with the status quo, and that's what you're going to get, the status quo, nothing better, nothing else. But you make those moves, man, and every time you open those doors with being humble and being very grateful, you're going to make it as high as you want. You're going to soar as high as you want. So, Dr. Rick, it's my honor to do this shout out for you. And so good luck with your new journey.